Hello fellow YouTubers, this is BudgetBuyer, and welcome to part 2 in a series of videos where I bring this abandoned Boston Whaler boat project back to life. Now the coupler on this trailer was missing all the internals, so on the way home I stopped and had it replaced with this 2-inch Bulldog. I really like how it works. Remnants of this restoration were covering the top deck, so as soon as I got home, all that was cleared out. Here at the front of the boat, I'll need to install a new bow eye with a bolt and an anchor eye in the bottom of this anchor well. Here you can see I've sanded in preparation for that. I'm pointing out here that the electrical needs to be rerouted along the gunwale because the old wires are bad. And here you can see that I've done some prep work and drilled a hole for the new electrical, which will run behind the rub rail. Here I have a drill and drill bits. Now I began by boring out all 323 holes that I've found. These will need to be repaired. The step bit on the top of each hole to create more surface area. Following great advice from the Boatworks Today YouTube channel, I decided to purchase an inexpensive band file sander from Harbor Freight Tools. Make sure to watch for sales and use their 20% off coupons and you won't pay retail. I began practicing with this tool at the transom and quickly learned that the Harbor Freight sanding belts are poor quality. Do not buy these things. They're going to come off the wheel, they're going to break. Get on Amazon and get something like these. I got 50 of those for like $17. Here you can see that I'm getting a little better with the tool, but I'm using both hands and there's blue dust going all over the place. And that's because I'm not using my shop vac. If you're doing this work, I'd suggest you get your shop vac out like I did. I ended up getting an extension hose. That really helped out. Here's the mask that I got off Amazon. It was the cheapest one I could find. And I also found Tyvek suit on Amazon. I couldn't get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. And it was only like, I think $8 or $10. And I've used it like 3 or 4 times so far. I can't see that I'm going to need another. You can see here that I've used a Sharpie and marked out areas that I want to sand some more. And that little red stool that moves around on casters, I'm using that. And I'm finally using my shop vac. And it gets like 70% of the dust. Here I'm done on the back of the transom. I'm done on the inside of the transom. And I decided to fill those holes with TotalBolt Thixo 2-in-1 epoxy system. It's already in a tube, and when it cures, you can drill those holes. That's why I decided to use it there. Here you can see I've just filled the holes. I haven't put fiberglass on yet. The fiberglass will go on when I get the boat indoors. Currently it's too cold to do any fiberglass work. Most of the non-structural hole repair will be done with the polyester structural repair putty, thickened with silica and extruded out of that syringe. I also decided to get an angle grinder with a flat disc, and believe it or not, I paid $8 for that grinder. I got it for $9.99 on sale, minus my 20% off coupon. Here's some delamination that I later take care of. Here you can see that I've replaced the old trailer jack and installed new trailer lights. Wired it up. It's ready and good to go. Thanks for watching episode 2. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this one, please click like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. I'll see you next time on Budget Buyer.